Just to let you know, I called the Argentina branch yesterday. Yeah.
Yes.
And he actually believed everything that I said. He's going to look at my YouTube channel. And I read him just this scripture, just very quickly, in Revelation 21. This is the Message Bible, by the way, if you want to have a look. Verse 3 says, I heard a voice, thunder from the throne. Look, look, God has moved into the neighborhood, making his home with men and women. They're his people, he's his God. And you know the actual year's text that you had in Isaiah chapter 30, do you remember that?
Is there anything I can...
Well, verse 20 says, though Jehovah will give you bread in the form of distress and water in the form of oppression, your grand instructor will no longer hide himself, and you will see your grand instructor with your own eyes. What does that mean?
Is there anything I can do to assist
It
you?
means I'm Jehovah your God, so you better tell your elders I'm here. And don't think it's impossible for God not to come down to earth. This nonsense about my son Jesus, who is Joshua. Joshua means Jehovah's salvation. Jesus means Jehovah's salvation. Ha ha! They've gone down again. What wazzicks? Wimpy wazzicks. They're hiding stuff like gross sexual sins, no doubt. Wicked laugh.